Learning how to eat well in Manila has become a challenge that requires more thought than before. It feels like high prices are slowly pushing the fun out of dining. This guide breaks down how to manage your budget while still enjoying the best tastes the city has to offer. Inflation is a real issue for everyone in the Philippines right now. When the cost of basic food items like rice, pork, and chicken goes up, restaurants have to raise their prices. You probably see this at the market or the grocery store. It is not just about the raw ingredients, though. The cost of running a restaurant has also risen. Rent in prime Manila spots is very high. Staff wages, electricity, and the general costs of running a business add to the total price on your menu. When you sit down in a fancy mall restaurant, you are paying for more than just the food on your plate. You are paying for the air conditioning, the decor, and the service. A meal at a busy mall food court, overhead costs are shared or lower at food courts. Where ingredients come from also changes the final price. Imported items will always cost more due to shipping and import duties. Even local ingredients have to travel across the country and costs add up quickly. Seasonal availability is another factor. If a vegetable is not in season, the price will be higher. Smart diners notice these changes and adjust their orders accordingly.
Strategic ideas to eat well in Manila on budget street food is a huge part of Filipino culture and a great way to save money. You can find authentic flavors at a fraction of what you would pay in a restaurant. To find the best spots, look for vendors with a high turnover of customers. If a stall is always busy, the food is fresh. Tier-risky items like isaw, kwek-kwek, taho, or balut for an inexpensive and filling snack. These options are a cornerstone of budget dining. Local carinderias are the heartbeat of affordable eating. These are informal, local spots that serve home-style cooked meals. You can usually find good carinderia guihe asking people who live nearby. Look for places with daily specials and a steady stream of locals eating there. A full, satisfying meal at a carinderia often costs significantly less than a single dish at a mid-range restaurant. You can also use smart menu navigation to maximize the value of your bill. Many restaurants offer lunch specials or set menus that are cheaper than ordering dishes separately. Sharing an appetizer or entry with a friend is another simple way to split the costs while still trying different foods. If you are not sure what offers the best value, ask the staff for the recommendations on daily specials or dishes that feature seasonal local ingredients. If you want to know more about the food blogging industry, starting a food blog can be a fun way to share your findings with others. Alternative ways to save on food parks have become popular, and they offer a lot of variety in one place. They often feature several vendors in an open setting with shared tables. This setup can be a good way to see many options at once, but be aware that prices at some food parks can be just as high as regular restaurants. Compare the total cost for your group before you commit. Sometimes, a group can eat better and cheaper via sticking to one place rather than buying different things at the park. Finding hidden culinary spots to find the best deals, you need to look beyond the popular tourist areas. Ask locals where they go to eat when they want a good, cheap meal. Some of the best restaurants are in quiet residential neighborhoods or near large universities where prices have to stay low for students. These neighborhood nooks often offer better food and much lower prices than the big names in city centers. Digital tools can help you find good value. Use social media groups or local review sites to search for budget-friendly eateries. When reading reviews, look for comments that talk about the price and the portion size. You can often find influencers or local food communities that focus specifically on finding cheap, delicious food. Being able to start a blog in a crowded niche can also connect you with others who are looking for the same kind of affordable spots. Timing also matters. Some restaurants have early bird deals or happy hour prices that can save you money. If you can, decide to eat during off-peak hours or on weekdays. Breakfast and brunch menus are often less expensive than dinner menus, too. Researching these options before you go out can lead to big savings on your food budget. Conclusion: savoring Manila without the high costs. Learning how to eat well in Manila does not have to mean you have to stop enjoying your favorite meals. It is about being a smart diner who understands the cost of food and makes careful choices. Yes, choosing street food, exploring local carinderias, and being mindful of your orders, you can still experience the amazing variety of the city's food scene. You do not have to feel stressed about your finances when you go out to eat. With a bit of planning and curiosity, you can find great meals that fit your budget. The next time you feel like eating out, use these strategies to find a new favorite spot that leaves you happy and full, without the high costs. Enjoy the flavors of Manila on your own terms. Whether you crave crispy lumpia or savory adobo, we've got all the tips you need. Don't miss this chance to savor Manila's culinary treasures while staying thrifty. Hit that play button now.